So there's a crazy accident down here. This truck right here, all up the front. The road has been crazy lately. This morning I saw the news. 5 persons died in a motorcycle accident. And the day before that, a friend of mine posted a friend of hers who died. And now this accident, I'm not sure if there's any casualty. I hope not. On my way to visit my mother. It's her birthday. Depending on how the weather is over there, I'll be doing some fishing. There's another accident up here. This is on Constant Spring Road right here. So the accidents are flying in. Be safe on the road, guys. Be safe. If any taxi driver is speeding with you, tell them to slow down. Smart second. I'm going fishing this morning. So we're here. A beautiful sea. I'm here with my little nephew. Bro right there. It's been a while. And the sea is pretty calm. And we're at a very good spot. So hopefully we can shoot something today. Let me just say, by the way, people have asked me, every time you don't shoot anything and you know, you say you're going to shoot and whatever. Fishing is hard. Fishing is hard. But I'm not even really in it for, you know, to win it. I'm just in it for the adventure. You know what I mean? The adventure itself is just fun. And that's what I'm all about. You know what I mean? The experience. So if I catch a fish, then that's a plus. But that's not the main point. Well, the water ain't all that calm, to be honest with you. I've seen it calmer than this before. But maybe that means we're going to put up a storm. I mean, maybe that means we're going to catch some big fish today. So, as long as it's clear, that's the most important thing. As long as it's clear. You know what I mean? So, just going to get ourselves suited up and stuff. We're here on the spot. Water don't look as calm as I thought. But we're going to bust a prayer. The Lord will calm the storm so we can have a good time out there. Anything I see I can shoot, I'm going to shoot. People often ask me if I'm afraid. Truth is, I'm not. Because God has not given me a spirit of fear. Hey guys, it's water kind of rough, so we're going to different spot. Let's go to the river. Hey guys, what's up? So we didn't bother to go to the river, but I have some clips from a previous fishing adventure from last year, so I'm going to share them with you right now. I have to go left, brother. Yeah. You know, me see them there one day. Yeah, me see, man.
Big fish. Oh, yeah.
Yo. Hold on, that. Brother, drop me over you.
You see the water circle up. There's something right there. And big fish.
And big perch. So he grabbed him now deal with the fish. I can like him dead just today.
You see him?
Him there where I see, man. I see him from over my up this up on the bank.
Eh?
Yeah. You remember see him shiny, you know? And then belly, you know?
One of them don't want to catch.
Yeah, man.
Big glass on the road.
Give me a next lift.
What do you understand?
This
come, brother, you want to slide? It's straight to slide in. Come on. Jump, brother. Attack the Scotty there now.
The Bible has a lot to say about fear. Jesus says in Luke 21 verse 26 that in the last days men's hearts will be failing them for fear. But even more than that, he has said to his disciples on numerous occasions, do not fear. As a matter of fact, did you know that the terms do not fear appears in the Bible 365 times? I believe this is God saying to us, for every day of the year, He has our backs, especially if we're His children. So, do I fear these dangerous waters? No, but I'm very much aware of the dangers. Even more, I'm aware that God have my back.
Right, moving to another spot. Saw a few big perch. Didn't get any shot after them. We're going to another river.
Shoot perch. So now I'm running shoot there.
The guy will just roast some fish. We just had it. It was really good. You know, had it with some crackers and some ginger beer. That is how we do it. Wildlife living, survival. You know, yeah. Couldn't ask for a better day. So, see you in the next one.
Yeah.